At Co-Lin, our career technical pathways are designed to help students find the right program for their needs. Students who like working with their hands and learning how complex machinery and systems function should check out one of the programs within our engineering, construction, and manufacturing pathway. Automation and Control Technology is a 2-year technical program that provides students with the technical skills necessary for employment as a technician in maintenance diagnostics, engineering, or manufacturing environments. Graduates will be qualified for entry-level positions in electronics, instrumentation, and robotics, among other fields. Some of our most recent graduates now work at Grand Gulf, Entergy, and Nissan, just to name a few. The Construction Equipment Operation Program prepares students to safely operate and perform preventative maintenance on a variety of construction equipment. Students in this program have the opportunity to become certified by the National Center for Construction Education and Research. Students are prepared to install, operate, maintain, and repair electrical systems in our Electrical Technology program. This program offers extensive hands-on training in electrical troubleshooting and the development of problem-solving skills in industrial electrical procedures. Electronics Engineering Technology is a 2-year technical program offering a combination of classroom and hands-on instruction. Students learn to analyze and diagnose electrical circuits and systems with industry-standard devices. Graduates are qualified for high-paying entry-level employment in electronics, biomedical, communications, robotics, audiovisual technology, aerospace, and more. Heating and air conditioning technology is designed to train students in the skills needed for employment in the HVAC industry. Courses will teach students the fundamentals of refrigeration, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and more. Everything from shop safety to the operation of power machinery such as lathes, power saws, drill presses, and more will be taught in our Precision Machining Technology program. A combination of lecture and hands-on training prepares students for employment using industry-standard equipment. All 3 of Co-Lin's campuses offer a welding program. Students will learn a variety of techniques and applications ranging from arc welding, pipe welding, inspection and testing, and cutting processes. Whatever inspires you in our engineering, construction, and manufacturing pathway, Copiah-Lincoln Community College is ready to train you for a successful career.